This is a 10-minute beginner yoga class for neck and shoulder pain. It's a hand-free, wrist-free, kneeling-free, prop-free, and inversion-free class. It's sugar-free too, yeah. As long as you didn't bring a sugar drink with you. I can't control that part. Let's begin by resting back. Okay, so begin by feeling the support of the earth and let your shoulders be heavy on the ground. So allow the earth to receive you. You don't have to hold yourself up anymore. Let there be space between your teeth. Let your tongue float in your mouth. Let your eyes sink back heavy into your head. Let the tension between your eyebrows soften. On each breath out, the tension in your neck and shoulders can sink down and into the earth. Okay, we're going to begin just by rolling your head from side to side. Let your head be heavy. Inhale, center. Exhale, roll your head to the side to release your neck. So move with ease. Let the weight of your head roll your head. And then you're going to take your fingers, which we're going to call 10 tigers, and it's going to be 10 tigers running through the forest. You're going to start at the base of your skull, at your occipital ridge, and you're going to pull those 10 tigers up through your hair, running through the forest. 10 tigers running through the forest. And just let your head be heavy and lengthen the back of your neck. This feels so good. We could spend 10 minutes here, right? And then hold on to your elbows. Lift your elbows up and then drop them down. Let them be really heavy on the ground like shot put balls. And then roll your elbows over to one side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower them over to the other side. Inhale, center. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Okay, you're going to roll to your side, and we're going to come all the way up to standing after we fix our hair a bit. Okay, all the way up to standing. Okay, from standing, you're going to place your hands in Namaste at your heart. You're going to inhale. We're going to just do the hands first. Exhale, take them to one side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, center. Then what you're going to do is you're going to look opposite direction from your hands. Inhale, center. Slight bend in your knees. Wasn't there a music video that did like walk like an Egyptian or something like this? The Bangles, yeah. Did they do this? I'm really old. I'm the oldest yoga teacher on YouTube. Great. And then we're going to do one for your shoulders with eagle's arms. So lots of options here. The first option is just elbows together. Okay. Second option is left elbow up, right elbow underneath, backs of hands together, or palms together. Okay. So choose whatever one works best for you. You're opening up the backs of your shoulders between your shoulder blades. You're going to inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Okay, and then we're going to release and just shake it out. Feel the difference between your two shoulders. We're going to do the other side, either elbows together again, or this time right elbow, hook the left one underneath, backs of hands together or palms together, depending on what works in your body. No right or wrong, no better, best. Just listening to your body, whatever feels best for you. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower, and feel that stretch between your shoulder blades at the back. And then you're going to release down. Come down onto your belly. Take your elbows underneath your shoulders. Tuck your tailbone under. You're just going to circle your head in front. And then you're going to lower down, just wiggle your hips from side to side. And go ahead and rest back for Shavasana. Just notice if you can feel a difference between your shoulders and your neck here at the end. If your shoulders are resting more on the ground, if your neck feels longer and more released. You can stay resting back, and I'm going to sit up and read you a poem. The poem is called Accepting This by Mark Nepo. Yes, it is true. I confess. I have thought great thoughts and sung great songs. All of it rehearsal for the majesty of being held. The dream is awakened when thinking I love you, and life begins when saying I love you, and joy moves like blood when embracing others with love. My efforts now turn from trying to outrun suffering to accepting love wherever I can find it. Stripped of causes and plans and things to strive for, I have discovered everything I could need or ask for is right here, in flawed abundance. We cannot eliminate hunger, but we can feed each other. We cannot eliminate loneliness, but we can hold each other. We cannot eliminate pain, but we can live a life of compassion. Ultimately, we are small living things awakened in the stream, not gods who can carve out rivers. Like human fish, we are asked to experience meaning in the life that moves through the grill of our heart. There is nothing to do and nowhere to go. Accepting this, we can do everything and go anywhere. Thank you so much for completing this class. Give yourself a thumbs up. Put my neck and shoulders are relaxed in the comments. Subscribe to this channel for more classes like this. And I would love it if you could share this class with your friends and family. Go to melissawest.com/begin for the whole beginner's challenge. And remember that our members are getting ad-free versions of this in our membership community. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our ocean. May you be as strong as our mountains. And may you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. Om Shanti. Namaste.